Hey DIYers, this is Bryce from Alarm Grid, and today we're going to be learning the difference between arm away and arm stay. These are going to be the two main functions that you'll put your panel on when you plan on leaving or staying in the house. Arm stay means that all devices set to interior types will be automatically bypassed, such as motion sensors, that are set to interior follow or interior with delay, and things of that nature. Any devices that are set to perimeters or entry exits will be live and set off the alarm. Armed away, everything will be live. So motions, doors, windows will set off the alarm automatically, and anything set to entry exit will give you a delay. This is how you'll be able to set your panel to arm away. Once you press the security button, you press security and you choose which one you want to arm in. So you can do arm away and enter your master code 1, 2, 3, 4, which is typically the default. We'll put your panel on arm away mode. You'll be prompted with a time to exit the building if you choose arm away or arm stay. Regardless, to disarm, all you have to do is press disarm. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're back to normal. That is the difference between arm away and arm stay. And if this video was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you want any future videos that we release, please hit the notification buttons. Bye, DIYers.